I always tell you is that do not expect too much from bar soap, because they are what? They are wash out products. If you want it to work effectively, just stick around to the end and I will share a secret with you. Are you a fan of bar soap and you're looking for a bar soap that will brighten your skin, lighten your skin, and even out your skin tone? Then this video is for you. So today I'll be listing out some brightening and lightening bar soap that will help brighten your skin, lighten your skin, even out your skin tone, and give you a uniform color. But one thing I always tell you is that do not expect too much from bar soap, because they are what? They are wash out products. If you want it to work effectively, just stick around to the end and I will share a secret with you. Okay, so the first on my list is the Ashanti papaya bar soap. You can see it here. I also put up the picture on the screen. This particular soap will help brighten your skin because it contains AHA and it contains Q10, which will help exfoliate your skin, brighten your skin. So it's perfect for all skin types. If you want this soap to work effectively on your skin, when you apply it in the bathroom, leave it for some minutes before you wash it off. When you apply it on your skin, you can also maybe either brush your teeth or find something you'll be doing while this product sits on it. Let it sit for like 10 minutes, then you wash it off and use it morning and night. Combine it with the lightening lotion and the body oil, and also make sure you scrub your skin. You know, I'm a big fan of telling you guys to scrub your skin, because I know when you scrub your skin and inflate your skin, any other product you use will definitely work. So this particular bar soap is a bar soap I would recommend for you if you want to just lighten your skin. This soap is very nice. It's very nice, and the scent is okay. The scent is not bad. The scent is nice, but this soap is very effective. So make sure you get this particular soap if you want to lighten up your skin. So that soap contains Q10, it contains vitamin C, and it also contains papaya extract, which is very mild. This soap is one soap I will recommend anytime, any day. Please get this soap if you want to have a beautiful and you want to lighten your skin. Okay, you can use this soap on your face and you can also use it on your body, but I guarantee you that you will get result when you use this particular soap. And make sure you get the original of this soap. Make sure that anywhere you're buying the soap is a trusted vendor that supplies quality and original product. Okay, the next soap on the list is some Q-tip extra beauty herbal soap. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This particular soap is very nice, especially for your face. I would recommend you use this particular soap on your face. Use as a facial soap. This soap is very nice. It helps to clear dark spots, it helps to clear pimple, it helps to smoothen your skin. It will lighten your skin a little if you continuously use it, but this particular product is very nice. Make sure you get it. I pray that the fake hasn't come out. I used it few months ago and I was blown out with the effect of the soap. The soap will help brighten your, although it will dry out your skin. After using it on your face, make sure you moisturize your skin very especially your face, because I recommend you use this particular soap on your face, more like a facial soap. And if after using it, make sure you use a good lightening face cream or moisturizer. This soap will give you a very good result. This soap will brighten your skin, it will lighten your skin, but it will not lighten you immediately. It's just a gradual product, but I'm very sure it's going to fade dark spots, it's going to clear your face, it's going to clear acne. So this soap is very good. It just contains glutathione and few little ingredients, but I will guarantee you that this soap is very nice. So if you want a soap that will lighten you, or you're looking for a facial soap that you use with your moisturizer, then you should get this particular soap. The next soap on my list is the Dr. Alvin Kojic soap. This particular soap is made with kojic acid and glutathione. I'll put up a picture on the screen. This particular soap is very nice, especially if you have a dark armpit. I would recommend you use it on your body and all this dark area, maybe on your elbow, on your knuckles, on your face, your body. You can use it, and it's very effective. But I would recommend you don't use it all the time. Maybe you can use it 3 times or 4 times in a week. This particular soap is very nice. It's very effective. It's very good, and the soap is, just make sure you get it. I don't think the fake is out right now. This soap will brighten your skin, it will lighten your skin, it will clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation on your skin. So if you want something that will lighten you, please go for this soap. One thing I always tell you guys, I don't put too much up on washout product, because these soaps are all washout product. But if you want it to work effectively, leave it for some minutes on your skin, like 10 minutes before you wash it, and so it will work effectively. Make sure you scrub your skin and make sure you go with your sunscreen. So the next soap on my list is the VitGold exclusive whitenizer body soap. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This particular soap, when I used it, it was nice. Like, I love VitGold products very well, because it has a way of like lightening up the skin if you continuously use it. This soap is very nice. It's so soft on the skin, it's so smooth on the, when you use it finish, it makes your skin soft, it makes your skin smooth, and it lightens you a little. But when you continuously use it, it's very good. It will even out your skin tone. This particular soap is very nice. If you want something that will lighten you, then you should get this particular soap. And this particular soap works well when you use it with the VitGold body lotion and the VitGold oil. And you can use this full soap as a face soap, and you can also use it on your body. It's very good, and it's perfect for all skin type. This particular soap is very nice. I've used this soap. I've used all these soap I've mentioned in this video, and I will tell you for a fact that this particular soap, and not the ones I've mentioned previously, will give you effective results. Okay, so guys, if you've gotten to this point, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and do well to subscribe and join the family. Okay, so the next soap on my list is the K-Brother bar soap. I'll put out a picture on the screen. I've used this soap for over how many years, and I will tell you that this soap is very nice. It will brighten your skin. One thing I don't like about this soap is that it finishes on time, but the soap is very effective. It's very good. It will lighten your skin, but when you continuously use it, don't expect to use the soap like today and you get results in 2 weeks. No, you have to continuously use the soap, but I guarantee you that the soap will give you a very good result. Another thing is that when you're buying this soap, make sure you get it from a trusted, reliable vendor, because a lot of fake is also in the market. So make sure you get original of this K-Brother soap. And the scent of this soap is so nice. It lathers so much on the skin. It makes your skin smooth, it makes your skin soft, and it brightens your skin. Like when you use it and use it with a good body lotion and the body oil, I tell you that you're going to get effective results. Don't use only the soap and expect perfect result. Remember, it's a wash off product. Use it with a good brightening lotion or lightening lotion. Okay, the next soap on my list is the Kojic Sand soap. I'll put the picture right here on the screen. A lot of you knows about this Kojic Sand soap. It's very good in lightening, but one thing about this soap is that it dries a lot. So I would recommend you use this soap 3 times in a week, and if you want to use it, I would recommend you use it at night. This soap is very nice on the skin. It will lighten your skin, and it will clear any hyperpigmentation on your skin or any dark spot on your skin. That's the soap I was using before I got this Ashanti body soap. But the soap is very good, just that it dries out the skin. It's perfect for all skin type. If you have an oily skin, you can use this particular soap. But if you have a very dry skin, I don't recommend use it all the time. You can use it once or twice a week, but I guarantee you that this soap will brighten and lighten your skin. So make sure you're getting the original of this particular Kojic Sand soap, because a lot of fakes are in the market. When you buy it, you put it into a container or anything and seal it up, so as you're using it, it will still remain effective. Okay, so the next body soap on my list is the Extract body soap. I will put up the picture on the screen. This particular soap, I've used it like countless times. The scent is heavenly. I like the scent of the soap, and it's very effective. It will help lighten your skin. It will clear hyperpigmentation on your skin. It will give you an even skin tone. And when you want to get the effectiveness of this particular soap, I would recommend you use a very good body lotion, and if possible, use it with this Extract body lotion together with the Extract soap, and use it together with a body oil, and make sure you scrub your skin. This particular soap will brighten your skin, but it's a gradual process. You have to use like plenty packs of the soap, and if you use it, you can also use it on your face, you can use it on your body. I've been using it all this while. I use it on my face, I use it on my body, and it doesn't react on my skin continuously. Any skincare product requires consistency, so be consistent with the usage of all this soap I've mentioned in this video. But I can tell you for a fact that this particular soap will lighten your skin. It may not whiten your skin, but at least it will brighten your skin and lighten your skin. Okay, so the next one on our list is the Flesh Gold body soap. This particular soap is mild. It will help brighten your skin, soften your skin, it will make your skin glow, and it will moisturize your skin. So this particular soap is very nice. Everything I always keep saying is that when you use any of this soap, please don't expect too much from all this soap, because why? They are wash off products. So make sure you use them with a body lotion and a body oil, and make sure you scrub your skin all the time. I'm a big fan of scrubbing, because when you scrub your skin, it's more like you're washing off the dead skin and you're exfoliating the dead skin cells. So any product you use on your skin will work effectively. If it doesn't work, you just know that maybe you're not scrubbing your skin very, and I would recommend you scrub your skin 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on the scrub you're using. Last but not the least soap on our list is the Gluta-C Intensive Whitening Soap. This particular soap will help lighten your skin. If you mix this soap with the body lotion, seriously, you will see effective results. I have a friend that uses like this particular soap, the body lotion, the soap, everything about this product. She uses it together. It lightens up her skin, it tones her skin, it gives her an even skin tone. So this Gluta-C Intensive soap, it may not be affordable, but it's very effective. I would recommend you use this particular soap, and I'm very sure that it's going to lighten your skin, it's going to whiten your skin, it's going to beautify your skin, it's going to even out your skin tone and give you a uniform color. But don't expect too much from all this soap. It is very nice, but use it along with the body lotion, body serum, or use it and make sure you also scrub your skin. One of the secrets I will share with you guys when it comes to using your bar soap or your body soap is, make sure when you use it in the bathroom, make sure you leave it for like some minutes on your skin before you wash it out. Don't use it and wash it out and you expect it to work effectively on your skin. And whenever you're using a bath soap or a body soap, make sure you exfoliate your skin first. When you exfoliate your dead skin cells, you don't even need to do too much and your skin will glow when you use your body soap. Another secret I want you to know with your body soap is, make sure you use the bar soap first on your skin before you scrub your skin. Then when you're using your bar soap or your body soap, make sure you use it alongside with a good moisturizing lightening lotion or moisturizer, or you go ahead with a body oil and you get effective results. Don't be deceived. Only the soap will not brighten your skin. If you continue to use the soap with a good moisturizer and a body lotion and a body oil, then you will get effective results. Hope these tips was helpful to you guys. Okay guys, have you used any of this product I've mentioned? If you have, please do well to share your experience in the comment section. Please do share is your favorite body soap. Please do well to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.